Ever feel like your main income just isn't cutting it? Or maybe you're dreaming about having some extra cash without the 9-to-5 grind? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the 13 best side hustles you can start today. No big investments, just opportunities for real results. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance writing. First up, freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, there are tons of businesses, bloggers, and content creators who need good writers. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr make it easy to find clients, and you can do it all from home or your favorite coffee shop as long as you have a laptop and internet connection. 2. Virtual assistant. Next, becoming a virtual assistant. It's ideal if you're organized and good with details. Many companies hire virtual assistants to handle tasks like email, scheduling, and data entry. With just a laptop, you can start earning by helping others stay organized. 3. Online tutoring. Are you skilled in math, science, or a foreign language? Online tutoring is big, especially with people studying from home. You could teach on platforms like tutor.com or even freelance on your own. It's flexible and can pay really well. It's a rewarding way to make an impact while boosting your income. 4. Pet sitting or dog walking. Here's a fun one: pet sitting or dog walking. People are always looking for trustworthy pet sitters and dog walkers, especially with busy work schedules. Apps like Rover and Wag let you connect with local pet owners. You get paid to spend time with dogs, and it's also a great way to get some exercise in. If you're enjoying the video so far, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let's continue. 5. Delivery driver. Driving for companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart can be a solid hustle if you've got a car and some free time. You can work when you want, and it's a great way to make some fast cash, especially on weekends or holidays. 6. Social media manager. How about being a social media manager? If you know how to engage people online, there are businesses looking for help to grow their Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. You can even start with a few clients and build a portfolio from there. What's great is that you can manage multiple accounts at once and earn anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per client each month. 7. Reselling items online. Ever thought about reselling? This one's a favorite. You can start by flipping items from thrift stores or even your closet on platforms like eBay or Poshmark. It's fun, and it can be surprisingly profitable. 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. If you've got a social media following, you can recommend products and earn commissions when people buy. Amazon, ClickBank, and many other companies offer affiliate programs, and once you get the hang of it, it's like passive income. 11. Become a graphic designer. Got an eye for design? Businesses are always on the lookout for talented designers to create logos, social media graphics, and banners. Even if you're a beginner, platforms like Canva can help you start building a portfolio. As you gain more experience, you can charge higher rates and expand your client base. 12. Start a dropshipping business. Want to get into e-commerce but don't want the hassle of keeping inventory? With dropshipping, you set up an online store, but your suppliers handle the shipping. Platforms like Shopify let you create a store quickly, and your job is to focus on marketing and customer service. It's a perfect low-risk way to break into online sales. 13. YouTube content creation. And finally, if you've got a passion, YouTube is the place to share it. Whether you love talking about travel, finance, fitness, or cooking, creating content can eventually lead to earnings from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Starting a channel might seem intimidating, but with consistency, you'll grow an audience and begin making money on the platform. So, there you have it, 13 side hustles you can start today. Whether you want a quick cash boost or something that could grow over time, there's a side hustle here for you. Leave a comment below and thanks for watching.